Okay, y'all, here we go again. This is Kenneth S. back at you, Capitol Hill, and it is approximately 7:53. And so you know what I'm out here to capture. I'm out here to capture that howl. There's the 8 o'clock chime, y'all. So you know it's about to go down. That 8 o'clock chime is coming from right there. The cathedral, located at Colfax and Grant. And there you can see the Capitol. And so we're waiting to hear folks getting started with the new tradition in Colorado, which is howling. The howl is supposed to represent solidarity during a very, very turbulent time, very traumatic time. So I'm going to be quiet for a little bit. Going to try to capture as much as possible. There they go. D-Town, y'all. D-Town, Denver, Colorado. It's a wonderful show of unity, and it coincides with what's been being pumped out in the media regarding togetherness. So I applaud everybody who actually comes out and participates. I enjoy being able to come out and capture this footage for you. If you want to see more things like this, follow me on Patreon. And you can log into the Patreon website and look up Your Colfax News and support me, you guys. Help me to do this. I don't want to do this sometimes. I want to make this a full-time thing. You can also see more footage like this on the Your Colfax News network on YouTube or Your Colfax News on Facebook. Either way, I will have a plethora of things to share with you, and it is my absolute honor to be able to do so. Your Colfax News is vying to become a reputable news outlet for the community, particularly for those who are disadvantaged or underrepresented, and particularly for those who embrace Colfax culture. So I'll be back out here tomorrow at 8 o'clock to listen to them howl. Peace.